Привіт-привіт, my dear friends. My name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video, I would like to talk to you about the current situation in Ukraine, updates in my life, and also I have for you one deal that can help Ukrainian army. So please watch this video till the end. So, about the current situation in Ukraine. So, more than 100 days we have war with orcs, and it is very horrible, and I know that you are tired of it. It's tough to listen to the news all the time, and maybe you are tired of Ukrainian refugees, and you're tired of listening how I ask you to make donations to support Ukraine. And guys, we are tired of it so much, and as you know, it might not finish soon, but we continue to fight. And right now we have very big fights in the eastern Ukraine, in the regions of Luhansk and Donetsk. Our army tried to get out orcs from there, and my native Kherson and the whole region is fully occupied, and people live in very bad conditions there. I continue to help local volunteers, my friends, and up to this date I have collected 100% profit, which is up to $15,000. So with the help of my project Buy a T-shirt, Save Ukrainian Life. So this is a T-shirt from my charity store. Thank you so much for supporting me, and believe me, I couldn't handle without you, and you helped so many people there with the food, with the medicine. So thank you so much. You're the best, guys. And about my life, I'm still in the Western Ukraine. I live normal life here. I work, I go to gym, I learn English, I walk in the peaceful streets, try to enjoy the life, every minute of it. And meanwhile, my father, he is still in the Kherson. He is my native village, and he's there alone, and I don't have a connection with him for the last 2 weeks. Today is the 11th of June, and it is so tough because I miss him and I can't call him because Russians, they disconnected the whole region from the internet and mobile connection, and he is a retired person. He's 61. No, he's 62. I'm sorry. He's 62. He's retired, and he can't get help from Ukraine. He can't get his retired money, and I can't send him money either because without connection he can't use the card and to buy food. So I'm worried about him a lot. But thanks God he has a garden with the vegetables, with the fruit that he planted. So I hope he has what to eat. Some of my relatives are still in Kherson, and other ones are in the central Ukraine, and my mom is there, and it is so tough because it is so tough to communicate with her because she's super negative, and I begged her to leave Kherson. I said, please leave, it is too dangerous for you to stay there. As a teacher of Ukrainian language and literature, she fled, and then she said, why did you force me to leave? I want to come back to my home. I don't want to be here. She says, nobody helps me here, nobody needs me here, I feel like a stranger here, our government is bad, we have war, blah blah blah, everybody is guilty, the whole world is bad, the life is so bad. It is so difficult to listen to her all the day, and it is so painful that she makes me guilty because I forced her to leave. It is dangerous, but she said, I want to be in my home, I have my things there. It's something tough, very tough. And I offered her to rent an apartment in the western Ukraine, and she said, why do you have to pay money? I don't have to pay money for the apartment, blah blah blah. So this is the mindset of the victim, and I can't do anything but that, and it is so painful, believe me. My husband is at war, and last week he had mini vacation 4 days, and we met with him, and this was the first time since the beginning of war when we could meet and spend some time together. And it was so difficult to say to him, see you soon. And he said that I may have the next vacation in 2 months, perhaps, maybe later. And I realized the whole summer I had to spend without my family, without my husband. I'm alone. It's tough, it's very tough, and I feel like I have a pain in my chest. I think this is kind of like psychological pain, you know, but it's tough. And thank you for being my shrink and listening to me, guys. So because I don't have so many people who can listen to me. It's it's rare because everybody has a lot of difficulties right now, so nobody wants to listen to you. Everybody has his or her own problems right now. So, and as you heard, our army, they are pushing orcs back, and they start to liberate more and more villages in Kherson. And my husband, he is the person who fight a lot there. And I have an offer for you. I have Ukrainian, these postcards, original ones of course, with the Russian warship. I'm sure you heard about this legendary postcards, and you can see here is the Russian warship and here is Russian warship done. So me and my husband, we got this, you can see here, this postcards, not postcards, postmarks, yes, marks, I'm sorry, maybe I misunderstood. Yes, and I have 8 of them, and I would like to sell them to you. And I will send the money collected from the sales of these marks to my husband, and they will buy drones and other things that they need for killing orcs. So, and I would like to offer you to buy this mark for $1,000. I know it's huge, but it will be in your collection, and this money will be sent to Ukrainian military guys who will get drones and other things and as you know, everything is very expensive. If you want to get something for army, and war is very expensive, and I know that you have already donated a lot of money for it, but if you really want to help Ukrainian army that are in the fight for liberation of Kherson, and you can trust me, guys, I would like to buy you this sheet of these marks for $1,000. So please write me on email if you are really interested, and we can make a deal, and I will really appreciate for your support. You can save it to your collection, and if you know somebody who will be interested to help and to get this beautiful mark, please let me know in the on my email. So this is my deal for you. I hope I will be able to get money for the Ukrainian army. So guys, these were the updates from the situation in Ukraine, from my life, about my family, how I feel, how you can help, and how you can get this super cool and famous marks. I hope I pronounced this word correct. Sometimes I feel shameful. Oh my god, I've been learning English for so many years, and sometimes I don't remember some words, but that's okay, guys, believe me. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your support. Please keep supporting Ukraine, because it's very important. This can be our common win that will happen sooner, much sooner, with the help of you. And the whole civilized world support Ukraine, because everybody knows that this is not just a conflict between Russia and Ukraine. This is war, full-scale war that started Russia, and it can be the reason to start the full-scale war in the whole Europe, and it will be the third World War. So you know it for sure. So we need to finish it as much as we can, and I try to do as much as I can. Дуже дякую. Thank you so much, your teacher Ina. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.